Want to know how to set up OBS for streaming on Twitch? In this quick video, I will show you the fastest way to create a gaming scene, set your mic, webcam, stream setting, and just go live. OBS Studio is a free and easy tool to manage your live streams, so let's open it and get started. On the left bottom, let's go ahead and add the scene. Click the plus button and label your scene. I will label it gaming scene and then OK. Now we need to add the sources to this scene. Click the plus button and go to Display Capture. Here, make sure you are creating a new one. Just label it according to your requirement and press OK. If you are using two monitors, make sure you choose the one you are gaming on. Once you are done, then just go ahead and click on OK. Now, we need to connect our mic. In the sources, click the plus button and navigate to Audio Input Capture. Now, create a new one and make sure you have labeled it. Now here, please go ahead and select your mic that is connected to your laptop or PC and then OK. You will now see mic and desktop audio levels in Audio Mixer. Use the sliders to adjust your microphone and system sound for the streaming. Now let's add the webcam. Just go to plus button in the sources and here we want to go to video capture device. Make sure you create a new device and press OK. Please go ahead and select your device webcam. It's already selected mine. Now just go ahead and click on OK. Now you can resize and move your webcam window anywhere on the screen. Place it wherever works best for your Twitch layout. Now let's connect OBS with Twitch to start streaming. Please go to Settings. In Settings menu, please go to Stream. Now make sure the service is already selected Twitch. Go and click on Use Stream Key. Here we have to enter the stream key from our Twitch account. Please make sure never ever show or share this stream key to anybody. To obtain your stream key, please go ahead and log into your account at twitch.tv. Click on your profile icon and go to Creator Dashboard. In the Creator Dashboard, please navigate to Settings and then Stream. And here we got a primary stream key. Just go ahead and copy this primary stream key and put that back into OBS. Perfect. Now go ahead and click on Apply and then OK. Now let's look at some required setting that needed to be optimized to stream better. Inside your settings, please go and click on Output. In output, the first thing we want to change is video bitrate to 6000 kilobyte per second. The next thing, we want to choose a video encoder. You could just go ahead and select the hardware encoder if it's connected to your laptop or PC. If not, you could just proceed with the software encoder. Let's turn the encoder on, and for smooth Twitch streaming, make sure your internet upload speed is at least 6000 kbps. Just go to Google, run a speed test and check it. Now that all settings are done, it's time to go live. Just click Start Streaming in OBS and you are live on Twitch. You can check your Twitch channel to confirm the stream is running. If this guide helps you set up OBS for Twitch, make sure to like, comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe ITPK for more streaming tips. See you in the next one.